Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this system of equations. Actually, I have already solved this problem in the previous video, but today we're going to solve this problem using the method of substitution, right? So today we're going to present our second solution. Well, as I have the square root of e of a and square root of b, and to eliminate this square root, I'm going to say that a is going to be equals to x squared and b is going to be y squared. So if, well, given this, I'm going to replace my values in my equation, my original equation. So I'm going to have x squared times x plus y squared times y, and this is equal to 81. And the second would be x squared times y plus y squared times what times x, and this is equals to 45. So this would be x cubed plus y cubed, and this is going to be 81. And then here we're gonna have x squared times y plus x times y squared, and this is going to be 45. So guys, this first one, we can write this as what? This can be x plus y, okay, which multiplies x squared minus xy plus y squared, and this is going to be 81. And this one here, well, factorizing, we will get xy, which will multiply x in order to have this one, plus y, and we're gonna have this one, and this is going to be 45. Okay, from the second one here, I'm gonna say that x plus y is going to be 45 divided by xy. Okay, so given this, what I'm gonna do now is take this one from the second equation, okay, and put in our first equation. So let's say now we have this, okay, we're gonna replace this one here, okay. So we're gonna have what? X plus y, x squared minus xy plus y squared, this is equals 81. So now look that I can write this as x plus y, okay, which multiplies, if I complete the square here, let's do step by step. This is this is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. I've added this term and I have to subtract this term, which is minus 2xy, and then minus this that I already have here, minus xy, okay, and this is equals 81. So I'm gonna have x plus y, okay, and this is going to multiply, this is a perfect square, which is x plus y square minus what? This is minus 3xy, okay, and this is going to be 81. So guys, from here we have that, okay, continuing here we have, I'm going to multiply this by this, I'm going to have x plus y to the power of 3, okay, minus 3xy, which multiplies x plus y, and then this is going to be equals to 81. So guys, now, well, remember that we had this thing, right? This is what we have to substitute. So x plus y is equal to 45 divided by xy. So now we're going to replace here. So we're gonna have 45 divided by xy to the power of 3 minus 3xy, which multiplies what? 45 divided by x plus y, and this is equal to 81. So now we have 45 divided by xy to the power of 3 minus, well, cancel this and this, we're gonna have only 3 times 45 equals to 81. So this is gonna be 45 over xy to the power of 3 minus, this would give us equal to 81. Multiplying this, we're gonna have 135, which will come to the right side positive, and then we have this, and then we have 45 divided by xy to the power of 3, and this would be equal. This term is 216, and 216 is 6 to the power of 3. So now we have 6 to the power of 3. So now same powers, right? I can cancel this, and the bases are the same. 45 divided by xy equals to 6, right? So now we have this, okay? 45 over xy is equal to 6. Now remember that what we have here, we had that, let me change the color, we had that x plus y is equal to 45 over xy. So now we have that our xy is equal to 6. Now we can say that x plus y is equal to 6. If x plus y is equal to 6, well, so now continuing from here, we're gonna have, well, 45 equals 6, right, times xy. Simplifying by 3 in both sides, we're gonna have here 15, and we're gonna have 2xy. Okay, so now I have a new system, which is x plus y equals 6. Okay, and I have 2xy equals to 15. So, well, solving this, you can choose the method that you like the most to solve this, but I've got to multiply, well, the first equation by minus 2xy. Sorry, not minus 2xy, but minus 2x. So this would be turned to minus 2x squared minus 2xy equals to minus 12x. And then I have here 2xy equals 15. I'm going to add both sides. So this is 0. I'm going to have minus 2x squared, and this come here positive plus 12x. This come here negative, minus 15 equals 0. I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by -1, so I'm going to have 2x squared minus 12x plus 15, and this is equal to 0. So so this is an easy equation to solve. So, well, let's solve by using the common method. So I'm going to say that, well, x is going to be minus b. Well, just give me a second. Well, x is going to be minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, and all divided by 2a. So this would be what? This would be minus 12, right? Sorry, not minus 12, because 12, b is minus 12, so it's going to be positive, plus or minus square root of minus 12 square, which is 144, minus 4 times 2, which is 8, times c, which is 15, all divided by 2 times 2, which is 4, and then our x will be what? Our x will be 12 plus or minus, well, let me erase this. So we're gonna have here, this would be, this square root would be 24 over 4. So we're gonna have x equals to 12 plus or minus, well, this one would be, this is 4 times 6, so this would be 2 square root of 6, and then this would be 4. Now we have that 4 divided by 12 divided by 4, it's 3 plus or minus 2 divided by 4, it's a half, so we're going to have square root of 6 divided by 2. So this is the value of x, right guys? So, and now we have to find the value of y, okay? So remember that we didn't make anything special to find the value of y, but let's pick this, okay? This is pretty much simple in here. X plus y is equal to 6. Well, x plus y is equal to 6. I have the value of y, so I'm gonna find, it means that x1 is equals to 3 plus square root of 6 over 2, and x2 is going to be 3 minus square root of 6 divided by 2. If we pick the first value of x, so y is going to be 6 minus x1, for instance, which will be, let's say, y1. So y1 will be 6 minus 3 minus plus square root of 6 over 2. So now I'm going to have x1 is 6, y1 is going to be 6 minus 3, it's 3 minus square root of 6 over 2. So guys, following the same way, our y2 would be 3 plus square root of 6 over 2. Okay, so these are the values of x and y, but our original system is given in terms of a and b. Remember, this is in terms of a and b, and we made our substitution here. So now a is equal to x squared and b is equal to y squared. So how do we solve this? Well, now we have these values. Okay, let's say that we say that a is equal to x squared. So what is that will change? We're gonna say, okay, I'm gonna say this. A is going to be what? This one. This is 3 plus or minus square root of 6 over 2 squared. Okay, so a is going to be equals to, how do I solve this? This is 9, okay, this is 9 plus or minus 2 times 3 times square root of 6 times 2 plus this one square, which is 6 divided by 4. So my a is going to be 9 plus or minus, I'm going to cancel this and this, and I'm going to have, this is 9 plus 6 over 4, this is 3 over 2, and plus or minus what? This would be 3 square root of 6. Okay, so now we have that a is equals to, this is 18 plus 3, this is 21 over 2, plus or minus 3 square root of 6. Well, if you see in the previous video, we found exactly the same roots for a as we found here, so our solution is correct. So we're going to find now the value of b. We say that b is equal to y squared, and y, okay, if you see here, minus or plus, so b is going to be 3 minus or plus square root of 6 divided by 2. So now it means that our b is going to, and this is square, right? This is square. So our b is going to be square here. It is 3 to the power 2 is 9 minus u plus 2 times 3 times square root of 6 divided by 2 plus, well, this square would be 6 divided by 4, and b would be equal. Following the same steps, guys, we will have this plus this, which will be 21 divided by 2, and this time, instead of having plus or minus, we're gonna have minus. Sorry, the program is saving the document, and let us just wait, it's finishing. Okay, we're gonna have, instead of having as in a plus or minus, we're gonna have o plus 3 square root of 6. So guys, this is so these are the solutions, so b1 and b2. Okay, If you want to write differently, separately these solutions, you're gonna have 21, okay, because you're gonna give the solutions in terms of a and b. So you're gonna have first one a1 b1, which is 21 over 2 plus 3 square root of 6, okay, comma, not comma, the comma, and then we're gonna have this, and first value of b is 21 over 2 minus 3 square root of 6, okay, and then we'll have the second one, which would be 21 over 2, which is a2 minus 3 square root of 6, and then we have b2, which is 21 over 2, and plus 3 square root of 6. Okay, guys. Well, these are the solutions. If you verify or you check the solutions, you're gonna get them correct, actually, because I've done it. But I don't want the video to get really long, so that's why I'm not going to do this. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we had solved this problem using 2 different methods. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. See you. Please don't forget to subscribe.